Hello students, today we will discuss the next class of the antibiotics, that is tetracycline. In the last video we have discussed about the beta-lactams antibiotics, in which we cover the beta-lactamase inhibitors, penicillin, monovectum, etc. Now we will discuss the next topic, that is tetracycline. First of all, we discuss the definition of the tetracycline. Tetracyclines are the octahydronaphthacene derivatives, which are bacteriostatic and broad-spectrum antibiotics that kill the certain infections causing microorganisms and are used to treat the wide variety of the infections. Tetracyclines are the octa means 8 hydrocarbons, naphthacene derivatives, which are bacteriostatic. Bacteriostatics means in the word in which last static means inhibit the growth and the cidal means kill the microorganisms. So tetracyclines are the octahydronaphthacene bacteriostatic means inhibit the growth of the microorganisms, and broad spectrums means which helps to kill the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Bacteria are two types, gram positive and the gram negative. So which substances helps to inhibit the growth of the gram positive and the gram negative bacteria, that is called the bacterium spectrum antibiotic. Certain infections causing microorganisms and are used to treat wide variety of the infection. That means it is very used into the infectious diseases. Tetracyclines are divided into the three parts. Tetra means 4, cycle which means hydrocarbons, is matlab derivation. So tetracyclines means 4 hydrocarbon derivations. First, introduction of the tetracyclines. It means that the history and introduction of the tetracyclines. Tetracyclines are introduced 50 years ago as potent broad spectrum antibiotics. They are biosynthesized from the acetic acid and propanoic acid unit into the microorganisms. Tetracycline possesses a wide spectrum of the activity, that is gram positive and the gram negative. We have discussed last time. They are mainly designed for the oral route, but parenteral and the topical forms are available. They are mainly used in the capsule form for the infections, but parenteral and topical forms are also available in the market. Historical background of the tetracycline. In 1945, chlortetracycline of the tetracycline was discovered by the Dr. Benjamin M. Dagger under the guidance of the Yellow Pagade Subbai Rao. He was born in the poor Telugu Niyogi Brahmin family in the Bhimravaram in West Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh. He was an employee of the Ladrike Laboratory in the USA. Dr. Duggar produced chlortetracycline from the golden colored soil bacterium called Streptomycin aurifolium by the fermentation technology. So chlortetracycline was discovered first, and it was discovered by the soil bacterium by the fermentation technology. He discovered many life-saving drugs: vitamin B12, cyanoglobulin, folic acid vitamins, a remedy medicine to cure sprue, oromycin, world's first tetracycline and cure cholera, typhoid and plague, and dysentery. Dysentery means stool with blood. He was the first to discover gramicidin, polypeptide antibiotic, methotrexate to prevent the blood cancer in the children, hetrazine, elephantiasis, isophelania, filariasis. The Fisco-Subero methods got recognized among the first world famous scientists. Isonicotinic acid hydrazide to cure the tuberculosis. We discuss about we cover the chapter of the tuberculosis. The role of the ATP, which are the source of the energy in the human body. Next, classification of the tetracycline. Classification according to the duration of the action. First classification is the short acting, which have half life is the 6 to 8 hours. Examples are the tetracycline, tetracyclines. Next, intermediate acting, half-life is the 12 hours. Example is the domicycloline, methacillin. Long-acting half-life is the 16 hours or more. Example is the doxycycline, minocycline, tigecycline. These are the classification of the tetracycline according to the duration of the action. Then according to the source of the classification of the tetracycline, first is the naturally occurring, that example is the tetracycline, chlorotetracycline, oxytetracycline, demiclocycline. Semi-synthetic, doxycycline, maclocycline, methacycline, minocycline. These are the classification according to the source. Sources. First, sources of the tetracycline. Tetracyclines are obtained from various species of the Streptomyces bacteria by the fermentation technology. Chlorotetracycline from the Streptomyces orophaciens. Oxytetracycline from the Streptomycin ramosus. First, chemistry. Stereochemistry of the tetracycline is very complex. This is the structure of the basic nucleus structure of the tetracycline, in which methacillin, oxytetracycline, there is a 6 chiral carbon atoms. Chiral atom are those carbon atom which have 4 different group of the carbon which have the 4 different group of atoms are attached. That is called the chiral carbon atom. These are the main structures of the tetracycline, that is tetracycline, chlorotetracycline, oxytetracycline, demiclotetracycline, methacycline, myclocycline, mincycline, doxycycline, tigecycline. This is the main structure of the class of the tetracycline drugs. This is the structure activity relationship of the tetracycline. First we will discuss this carbon atom. Second carbon atom. Second carbon atom conversion to nitrile cause to 20-fold increase the activity. Then the keto-enol tautomerization between C2 and C3 are very important for the biological activity. So second and third carbon atom tautomerization is very important for the biological activity. And third position, modification to loss of the activity. If we modified the third position, any modification, then lose the activity. Then the fourth carbon atom epimerization at the 6,4 and the dehydration of the 5 a result of the loss of the activity at the position of the 4 carbon atom. Epimerization lose the activity. Then the carbon of the we discuss the fifth carbon. Substitution with OH produce the water soluble derivative which can be administered orally. If at the position of the fifth carbon atom there is OH group is attached, so it produce the water soluble derivative which is very it can be very easily administered. Then we discuss the carbon of the sixth carbon atom. Elimination of the 6 OH group increase the lipophilicity and more stable to acid. Example is the doxycycline. Double bond CH2 increase the antibacterial activity at the position of the 6 carbon atom. And at the carbon of the at the position of the 7th position, NCH3 twice increase activity. Electron donating with group at the C7 increase antibacterial activity. So D ring, there is a 4 ring present, that is called naphthalene ring. A, B, C and D. D ring should be always aromatic. Change in this ring lead to biological inactivation of the molecule. So D ring is very necessary for the antibiotic activity. Additional glycyl amino substitution at the 9th position leads to the new class of the antibiotic, the glycyclinins. Example is the triglycinins. The linear, so these are the structure activity relationship of the tetracycline. The linearly fused tetracycline nucleus is very important for the antibiotic activity. So this nucleus, main nucleus, naphthalene nucleus is very necessary for the antibacterial activity. This is the summary of the structure activity. At the position of the first, if any modification, no bacterial activity. At the position of the second, acetyl group only, slightly activity retained. At the position of the third, any modification, no bacterial activity. At the position of the fourth, alpha dimethyl amino group, NHCH3 retain more activity. At 5A, loss of the H inactive degradation product. At the position of the sixth, remove OHCH3. For both, more stable compound is produced. At the seventh position, chlorine, bromine, NO2 activity retained. At eighth position, little information available. There is no more information is available at the position of the eighth. Ninth, chlorine and CH3 decrease activity at the position of the 10th, 11th A, 12th. Invalid zone including C1 diminished the activity. So last we discussed the uses of the tetracycline. Tetracyclines are the broad spectrum antibiotic because they can be used to treat the wide variety of the infection. Physicians may prescribe this drug to treat the eye infection. Tetracycline are generally a low cost alternative among antibiotics. It's very low cost. A form of the tetracycline has recently been used in the prevention of the cancer recurrence. Tetracyclines may be used in the treatment of the infection of the respiratory tract, sinuses, middle ear, intestine, and gonorrhea. These are the main use of the tetracycline antibiotics. Tetracyclines are so conclusions of the tetracycline. Tetracyclines are broad spectrum antibiotics. Despite numerous reports of the resistance, they are still the drug of the choice for the treatment of the wide variety of the infection. These are the references of the tetracycline antibiotics. Help your antibiotics do their job. Take as directed. Finish the full prescriptions. If you are feeling better, help prevent antibiotic resistance. Thank you.